Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by proving control of the domain and producing a CSR from your server. This is the foundation. Generate the CSR with the exact common name and any SIN you need, because mismatch breaks HTTPS. Once done, pick the certificate type, DV for speed, OV or EV for higher validation, and submit the CSR to your chosen CA. Make sure to keep the private key secure on the server. You'll need it later for installation and to avoid reissuing. You'll now place the certificate and intermediate chain on the server and configure your web server to use them. For Apache, update the virtual host with SSL certificate file and SSL certificate key file. For Nginx, set SSL certificate and SSL certificate key. Once configured, reload the server to apply changes and check logs for errors. Make sure to include the full chain so browsers trust the cert. Also adjust TLS versions and ciphers to modern settings. You finish by validating the installation and setting up long-term maintenance. Use SSL Labs or OpenSL S client to confirm chain, hostname match, and protocol support. Fix any chain or hostname mismatches. Once verification passes, configure redirects to HTTPS and consider HSDS to enforce secure access. Finally, automate renewals. Let's encrypt with CertBot or your CA's Acme client and test the renewal process. If renewal fails, check private key mismatch or missing chain files as the first troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.